Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Do you like English?
Yes, sir.
Why do you like English?
I like English poems.
You like English poems. That's why you like English. Very good. What about you? Why do you like
I
English?
like English because I can read stories books.
You want to read storybooks? Good. And
I like because I like English movies.
you like English
Read
movies.
movies.
You watch English movies, so you want to learn English. And what about you? Okay, you want to watch English cartoons. To understand well, you want to learn English. That's good. Today I will teach you an interesting English lesson. It's about a girl, an African girl. What is this in this picture? House. And yes, the difference between these two houses, this is not painted house. This is okay. Today I will tell you a story about a girl who is telling about her house, and she got a nice friend, close friend. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Nikhil Teja.
Nikhil Teja. And yours?
My best friend is
Sunil Rohit. And yours best friend?
My best friend is
Trishant. Yours?
My best friend is
Kaushik. In this story, this girl having a best friend, but not a human. It's a chicken. The story about painted house, friendly chicken, and me means the girl. She's an African girl. Before going to our main lesson, I will tell you about Facesheet. Okay, all of you turn page number 1 in your textbooks. In this radar, you will find a picture. Please observe the picture carefully. Good. Last one. Stand up. What are the things you observe in the picture? What do you observe? What do you observe in this picture? Please. What do you observe in this picture?
I observe in this picture cows,
Cow,
goats,
goats,
children,
children,
and village citizens.
and village life. You explained wonderfully. Good. Please. Can you add more?
Feeding cat. Feeding
Somebody feeding cat.
Yes, sir.
Good. Sit down. Where are the children? Who want to answer? Where are the children? The children are busy with the pet animals. Okay. What is pet animals? I'm asking about what are pet animals? What are pet animals? There are different animals, wild animals, pet animals, domestic animals. What are pet animals? Okay, you are telling the examples for pet animals. I am asking what are pet animals?
Dog, cat, pet animals. Buffaloes, goats, cows is domestic animals.
What you said is right, but I am asking about the definition. Why these animals are called pet animals?
Because they're friendly.
Very good, excellent. Because the animals which are close to human are called pet animals. For example, dog, cat, rabbit, hen. These are all pet animals because they are very close to human. And domestic animals are those animals which are very friendly with the human and give some production. Hen give eggs. They lay eggs. Cow give milk. Sheep also give milk. So these animals are called domestic animals. Okay, what are the animals you find here? Cow, pig, hen, goat, sheep, rabbit, buffalo. Buffalo is the. Okay, please stand up. What are the other things you find in this picture? Everyone told about children and animals. Houses are there, trees are there, plants are there. Well, excellent. Okay, what is the difference between a plant and a tree?
Plant is small,
Uh, Tree is a big one and plant is a small one. Good. What is this atmosphere? What is this? Is it a town or a village?
village. It's a village.
How can you say that it's a village?
Animals.
If there are so many animals that known to be a village, why don't it's a forest? I call it a forest because we find so many animals in the forest. Okay,
Sir, there have many trees,
many
small
trees,
houses.
small houses like huts. So this picture shows a village. What is the difference between village and a town? Village and a town. What is the difference between a village and a town?
There is small houses, small with trees and so many animals.
Okay, village consists of so many animals, small houses, and there won't be any. um, in a town, we won't find trees, but in village, we find so many trees. Greenery will be dominated in villages, whereas towns won't have so many trees. Town is full of pollution because of factories,
Bikes,
motor vehicles.
height,
Huh?
height, busy cars.
So many buildings.
Bus,
Bus.
train,
Metro trains,
plastic covers.
plastic causes so much of pollution. So now these days government is telling not to use plastic. We should ban plastic. Very good. Children are doing some crazy things in this picture. What they do here? What do you find? Please.
The children feed the children are feeding.
A girl is feeding a cat. Good. A girl is feeding a cat. What about you? What do you find with the children?
Boy and girl taking a cow.
Yes, a boy and a girl milking the cow. They are milking the cow. Good. You want to add more? You want to add more? What the children are doing with the animals? What the children are doing with the animals?
Sir,
One boy, one girl taking a axe.
Okay. Laid eggs, hen eggs
sir,
were,
sir.
I think they are putting back in its safe place. Please.
One boy feeding a goat.
Yes, one boy is feeding a goat a hay of grass. Good.
One girl is milk.
Mi- Very good. A girl feeding a cat with milk.
A girl.
Bringing water with a pot. Yes, a girl bringing water with a Yeah, I think she fetched the water from the well. She fetched some water. Hmm.
Sheep
The,
is eating grass.
the sheep is eating grass. Excellent. And the cow is chewing. Very good. Uh, are the children friendly with the animals?
Yes. The rabbit is
The rabbit is?
eating leaves.
The rabbit is eating leaves. Do you know what is the favorite food for rabbit? Carrot. Cabbage.
Carrot, radish.
Yes, radish. Radish is the favorite food for rabbit.
Sir, the goat is eating grass.
The goat is eating grass. Good, good.
Sir,
I'm asking about, are the children friendly with the animals?
yes.
Yes. What you said is good. How should we behave with animals? Should we friendly with animals, or we should be strict with animals, or cruel with animals? We should be friendly with animals. Why are you saying that we should be friendly with animals? Why are you saying that we should be friendly with animals? Because the animals are friendly with men, so we also friendly with animals, is saying like that. Good, good. Anything more? Then how can we get food? We are what kind of creatures we are? There are three kinds of creatures. One is herbivores. Those animals which eat only vegetarians, like plants, herbs, seeds, fruits, and all the herbivores. And wild animals are carnivores. Carnivores, the animals which eat flesh of other animals. If you take lion, tiger, these animals eat other animals. So those are carnivores. And like us, there are some animals are there, like human. Chimpanzee won't eat non-veg, I think. A bear will eat fish. Men, we eat both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Dog also eat vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Yeah, I know non-vegetarian and cat.
Sir, lion eating deer. Sir,
Please,
fox, sir.
frog.
Fox.
Fox. Fox is a wild animal which eats only non-veg. Hyena also eat non-veg.
Vegetarian.
It's a carnivore. Hyena is a carnivore. Please. Snake. It swallows the other animals. It's also a non-vegetarian.
Snake eating frogs.
Snake eating frogs are there? I don't find any such thing.
That's snake eating.
Snake eating rats. I don't find any rat which eats a snake. Snake eats a rat. Mungisa will kill a snake and it will eat. So that is also a carnivore. Omnivores, the animals which eat both vegetarian and non-vegetarians. Okay, I will ask one by one the questions which were mentioned in your textbook. Where are the children? The children are? Where are the children?
In the village.
The children are in the village. Is it a village or a town? Why? Because you already explained about village atmosphere, so we can easily understand that it's a village. What are the boys looking at?
The
Okay, the boys are looking at the animals. And are the children friendly with animals? Yes, you already told the children are friendly with. What are the children doing? It's an elaborate question. You already explained. Okay, how are the houses there? Colorful. Houses are colorful. All the huts are painted houses. Which house you like? The Paka house or a hut? Which one you like to stay in? Yes, Paka house will be comfortable one, whereas the mud-made huts are not comfortable. Paka house is the houses which were constructed with cement and concrete will be used. So it is a strong building. It is very durable. It will be very comfortable. We have mosaic floors, tiles, and so many sophistication are there. Okay, what is the main difference between a village and a town? Which one, uh, which one is very important? Is it a village or a town? Why do you say that village is more important than a town?
Village not have pollution.
In village, we don't find any pollution. Good. We won't have pollution.
Village is pollution.
Pollution free. Village is pollution free. You already told that. What are the basic needs? What are the basic needs of any creature? What are the basic needs?
Food.
Food. Where do we get food from?
Village.
From village. Town cannot produce food.
Yes, sir.
So, when we are addressing basic needs, we need a village. We need farmer. We need animals. We need fields. We need greenery. For basic needs, we must need village. For luxury, we need towns. For sophistication, we need towns. You want wealth, we need factories. But it's a luxury one. If you want to talk about the basic needs, we need villages. We need trees. We need pollution-free places. We need water. We need rivers, ponds, lakes, rivers. Yes. So, in this lesson, we are going to talk about a beautiful village. But it's not from India. It's from South Africa. It talks about an African continent, their culture. Their culture includes their dress, their food habits, and all the habitat, how they behave with animals, how they behave with other human. In this lesson, we are going to talk about. Tomorrow, we shall continue the lesson. Painted house, friendly chicken, and me. Thank you.